I want to take a minute and talk about multipliers. Everybody wants to know, well, what's the multiple? Because they're just so comfortable that they can calculate their cash flow, which they may be able to do, although that is pretty complex in itself sometimes. And they know if I have the multiple, I can find the value. Well, at this level of multiple, when you're just pulling a number off an article like this, really what you're getting is a rule of thumb, not a valuation. A rule of thumb is an indication. Depending what you're doing, it may even be useful for your purposes if you just want a rough idea. But a true valuation, that multiplier will be raised or lowered based on the quality. One last thing, recognize that for most small businesses, sellers' discretionary earnings, 2.2 is the average. 3 is an exceptional business. EBITDA, maybe it's 3 and 4 until you get to larger, more established businesses. I hope you found this helpful. That's what I have to say about multipliers, rules of thumb, and business valuation.